The Ape Chain version of Pump Fund just launched and meme coin traders are already making millions of dollars. This could be the next big market narrative, and being early will allow you to make huge amounts of money. In this video, I am going to be telling you everything you need to know to make millions of dollars from the newly launched Ape Express platform and meme coins on Ape Chain. Also, at the end of the video, I am going to tell you the 3 gems I have bought on Ape Chain. Make sure to watch till the end to see that. Just before we get to it, please drop a like on the video, as this video took a lot of research to make. So let's first of all talk about how to get set up on Ape Chain. It is very simple. First of all, you need to have a MetaMask wallet with Ethereum in it. If you don't know how to do this, it is pretty simple. You just need a Chrome extension, and then you need to withdraw Ethereum from an exchange to your wallet address. Then you need to use Uniswap to swap your ETH tokens into ApeCoin. Then you must go to Stargate Finance and bridge your ETH Ape into the Ape Chain Ape. And now you have a wallet on the Ape Chain that you can use to buy meme coins. To buy the meme coins, you need to use the Camelot dApp platform, and make sure you are on Ape Chain. The platform works the same as Uniswap. To swap a token, you just need to get the contract address. We will use Curtis for this example. It is currently the highest market cap coin on Ape Chain. Then you simply paste the contract address into the bottom part and swap your ape into Curtis, and that's it done. Selling works the same way, vice versa. But knowing how to buy is a small part. Knowing how to find winners is much more important. Make sure you watch this section to learn how to find winning projects. The first method is to use DEX screener filters. I am still testing these filters on Ape Chain, but so far the best sets of filters I have found are market cap minimum 8,000, 24 hours volume minimum 10,000, and 1-hour transactions 150. The second set of filters are market cap minimum 20,000, liquidity 5,000, and 1-hour transactions 200. These filters are good ways to find potential winners. The second method I would use to find winners on the Ape Chain is by tracking winning wallets. To do this, you simply need to find a project that has performed well and look at the top traders tab on DEX screener. As you can see, this one has made $16,000 in profit and still holds $7,500 worth of this token. You can then check this wallet on Ape Chain and track their recent buys. To see what they are buying and selling, you can look at the token transfers tab and make sure to check the transactions to make sure they are buying the token and not just being sent tokens. Once you familiarize yourself with the platform, it becomes very easy to do this. I can see that he has recently bought Curtis, but I will keep an eye to see what else he buys. If you guys want to track this wallet, then watch until the end of the video and I will give you the address. But of course, we need to talk about Ape Express, Ape Chain's version of Pump Fund. This platform is extremely high risk as you are buying projects that are less than $100,000 in market cap. But to find potential winners on Ape Express, you need to just scroll the website and look for potential winners. You want to be looking for good tickers, names, popular memes, or memes that fit current market narratives. It is also a good idea to look for already made meme coins on other chains. For example, if there is a Pepe on Ape, it could do fairly well, and if you are early enough, you can make really good money. Now, how do you analyze a token before you buy, whether you find it on Ape Express or DEX screener? The best things you can check right now are projects, social media. Ape Chain is fairly new, so there aren't a lot of tools you can use. I recommend just looking at a project's Twitter and Telegram groups. You can also use TweetScout to find out if any big accounts follow the meme. If a project is posting high-quality original content, that is normally a good indicator that the team is serious about the project. There are no guarantees right now. Ape Chain is very new, and Ape Express is gambling, but these methods can help you to buy winners. Now, what about the 3 gems that I personally recommend? First up is Curtis, at a $13 million market cap, Board at a $14 million market cap, and lastly, Make Ape Great Again, priced at a $150,000 market cap. Now, if you want to get the winning wallet I mentioned earlier in the video, then you can get it by joining my free Telegram group in the description. It is completely free, and I always drop really good alpha and gems. Just 2 weeks ago, I gave out a project that has already gone up 1,000%. Join through the top link in the description or through the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.